My rice is ready, guys. Look at that. Hey guys, we are making a cooking video today, y'all. Yes, I'm in the kitchen. We gonna cook some pilau rice and some chicken wings. I'm gonna bake them, Yeah, so keep watching. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you hit the notification button to be notified whenever I upload another video. So yeah, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. So yeah, let's get into it. Guys, before we start cooking, I have some dirty dishes that I need to get rid of. I need to wash them. So I'm just gonna go wash them right now, and then we're gonna cook after I'm done with this. All done. See? Nice and clean. I'm going to start with our chicken wings. I'm going to bake them. These are all the spices I'm going to be adding into my chicken wings. We have black pepper, and we also got that's garlic powder, and I'm missing one. Paprika, soy sauce. I'm missing one, which is the onion powder. So I'm gonna get that one, and I think I need a big bowl to mix all this stuff. This is too small. It's not gonna work. Yeah, so I'm gonna change this bowl, get a bigger one, then yeah. I'm going to let it sit just for like 5-10 minutes just to kind of marinate, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so then we're gonna bake them. Yeah, now it's time to get on the rice. So this is my rice. This is how much I'm using. So I'm going to wash them. So I'm about to start cooking the rice. So here I got pilau masala spicy seasoning. This is what I'm going to use. Also got tomato paste. We're also going to be mixing with ginger and garlic. You can either use the fresh ones, and we also got some onions right here, all set up. That's my rice right there. So I have my pot on the stove. I'm going to get dry. And this is the oil that I'm going to use. Corn oil. Yeah, you can either use the vegetable oil, any kinds of oil. Yeah. Aline is in the kitchen, guys. Things are about to get real. Soon I'm gonna start baking the chickens. First we're going to fry the rice. We are going to fry this rice and then we cook it. Then yeah.
So now we're going to add oil into a pot. Going to mix the much. Not too much, not too small, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. And we're going to add our onions, the red ones. You gotta let it cook it.
Cook it. Don't want it to reach. Give a little mix. We can actually make it big. So now we are going to add our ginger. Add ginger. I'm gonna add this much. Come on, get it out. Okay. Then our garlic. That's enough. Then give a little more mix. We're gonna mix it. And we're gonna let it cook. Smells so good. Make sure you ate enough. Okay? Mix it. Brownie. Just gonna add a little bit more. We don't want our rice to be white. We want it to be brownish. Okay, so now we are going to add our tomato paste. Just gonna add this much. Now it's time to add our rice. As Africans, we do not measure how much salt we put in our food. We just add. We don't have time for that. We don't have time for all that, guys. It's normal for us Africans. We just measure in our head. In our head. So I guess now we are going to add water, warm water. Now we are adding water. You don't want to add too much water because no go from shiri wa usha. I think this is enough. I add too much water too. Camera, my God, my goodness, my goodness. They already see all this. We're going to cover our rice. Let it cook for about maybe 15 minutes, and then we're going to come back and check. So since my rice is cooking right now, I'm going to bake my chicken wings. White. We are going to preheat our oven. Bake. I'm gonna put on 400. Okay, 400. It is my chicken wings ready. Everything did not fit in this baking thing, so I had to use this baking. Yo, my rice needs a little bit more water. I'm not done cooking, so I'm just gonna add some more water into it. Gonna cover it again. Mason, say hi to my YouTube. This is what he's watching, guys. Cook for me alone. Brush you. Brush you. Brush you. Brush you. I'm tired, guys. My back is really hurting me right now. What are you doing? My rice is ready, guys. Look at that. This is how I make pilau rice. This is my own way of making pilau rice. So I don't know how you do it. I don't know how you make it. It don't matter. This is how I do it, guys, and it is so good. Very good. So now we are going to add the white onions on top. I put them on top. I'm just going to turn them over. Do not touch my chin, please. I'm going to squeeze lemon on my chicken wings like this. This one's ready, so they're ready. Gotta keep them out. Just gonna pour it all. I'm also going to our chicken wings are ready. So good. right here. Thank you guys for watching. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.